Today's recipe is a very simple breakfast recipe. This is lemon vermicelli. Let's check out the recipe, and also I'm going to show you guys a very simple coconut chutney that goes along with the vermicelli. The first step is to cook the vermicelli. For this, take a pot, add enough water. So once the water comes to a good boil, reduce the flame. So you get different kinds of vermicelli in the market. So I'm using the long one, which will look more like a noodle kind. To this I'm going to add some salt. After a minute, turn off the stove. Just add a little oil so it doesn't stick to each other. Strain the vermicelli after 2 minutes. After you strain the vermicelli, pass it through running cold water to just loosen it a little so it doesn't stick to each other. Next, take a wide kadai or a saucepan. To this, add 1 tablespoon of oil. First, I'm going to temper a few ingredients. Once the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, half teaspoon of mustard, 2 red chilies. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, add a few peanuts. Next, add a pinch of Asafoetida powder. Next, add a few curry leaves. Next to this, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add half teaspoon of salt. Reduce the flame. To this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, 2 green chilies finely chopped. Next, add the cooked vermicelli. Now I'm going to squeeze the juice of 1 large lemon. If you need more lemon juice, taste it and add it. Gently mix it, check for seasoning and turn off the stove. You can garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. I'm going to make a quick coconut chutney. For this, take 1 cup of grated coconut. To this, add 2 green chilies. I'm just going to break them into half. Add them. 2 tablespoons roasted chana dal. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add a little water and grind everything together. The coconut chutney is done. I'm going to temper a few ingredients and add it to the coconut chutney. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of urad dal, 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 red chilies, cut it into half. Turn off the stove. Add a few curry leaves. Add a pinch of Asafoetida powder. Pour the tempered ingredients onto the chutney. As you can see, it's a very simple breakfast recipe. You can enjoy this either with some coconut chutney or with some pickle by the side. It's also a nice lunchbox recipe. So if you do want to make something quick, you can try this and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.